Hi guys, and welcome back for a new quick and dirty inspo video from my side. And today I have a very cool inspiration everybody can do very easily at home because you don't need special items for it. Because my inspiration today is I like to take pictures from everyday items you have in your kitchen at home. And for example, I have here a whisk, and if I look at the end, the wire here looks very cool, and if I take a macro shot with it, the optic will be very cool on the picture later on. And also the same with the cheese slider, the knife inside looks very cool, or you can take a normal knife sharper, etc. Every metal item you have in your kitchen, you can take a cool picture with it. So my inspiration for you, or my challenge for you in this video, is go in your kitchen, take your metal everyday items out and take cool macro pictures with it. And to make it more interesting, I used here my RGB light, and I chose two different colors and highlighted different areas here of my items, and then I take my pictures, and I think the results are very cool. They will follow in the end of this video. And my setup is also very simple. Normally I use black paper for under and background, but I don't have it here in my vacation, so I use only a black table for underground, and I take my pictures by night that all is dark here. And then I have my two RGB panels that I placed it around my items that I don't highlight the background, and then you get a black background or a very dark background. And then my tip is lift up your items, and here the whisk I lift up on a normal cup, and then my whisk always rolls around, so take a bit of chewing gum or clay to fix it. And then you can place the position you like to have here and take your pictures. It's very simple, and then you have to highlight it with different colors. I choose two colors, one from the right, from the left, and really that's all very simple, but you get a cool effect. And my tip, also make black and white pictures with your kitchen utensils, because the optic is also very cool in black and white, especially if you have metal. And yeah, that's all. So now I will show you my results, and we will see us in my next video. Ciao!